So it's a Sunday, and we're deciding to go kayaking in the pond by my house. This high-speed motherfucker right here. Where the drain plug is? Okay, so is it one over here too?
It's kind of lifts straight up in there.
Oh, straight up in there. So we got to drain the water out of this one, and we're gonna put it in the back of the truck and go down into the lake. Huh? Ain't working.
Huh. No, a little bit maybe.
Here, visit. You all right?
You got a paddle?
Yeah, in the truck.
Back of the truck.
Dropped your beer. Was that empty? Bums of a big damn. Oh, well, that was smart. You see that video he made this yesterday in that ugly ass car? This shit long as all outdoors. Jason will do it. You gotta sit in the back of the truck and hold the boat, son. Are you serious? Oh. Yeah, that worked out. Put one strap on it though, because this will fall out.
Sit in it.
Come on, Jason. I saw that. You're just like, you ain't old enough to do that yet. You do that when you pay taxes. It's time for taxes and spare parts. Boom, 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 boom. Can't drink beer all day if you don't start in the morning. Hell yeah. It's cold.
Usually how it goes.
Red, white, and blue.
What?
Red, white, and blue. I think you missed. This one's still hard to close even with just a little bit in there?
Yeah, like even with it empty, I don't know what the issue is.
You got a good seal though, huh?
Yeah, you get it down,
Oh, damn. You do one, the other one's easier.
Yeah.
Huh? Got the Yeti full of bad decisions. You wasted damn 20 pounds of ice on the floor. It's fucking expensive. You gonna drain the water out or you gonna leave it in there?
Right.
The water helps keep it cold. Oh, I say you want to have a little bit of water in there.
Yeah. It's literally up to the top.
Yeah, that water feels so good. Yeah. Hey, was the pool water cold?
Like I mean, it was first initially get into it. Yeah. But once you like got it in your shoulders,
that should be good right there.
This one's been leaking, but it ain't leaked since I brought it here.
Huh.
You know, it usually like leaks a little bit.
No. I know. I heard you tell me it leaked before.
Oh, now I can light it.
America! I'm glad I cut the grass. You think the coolest to hold them on there?
This one ain't going.
Put this one. So we're at the pond. They're going to the pool. Say hey, Sadie. Whatever. Holy gang shit.
Gang shit.
So here we go.
What if we put the floats in the pool? Not in the pool, in the lake?
They can't say shit.
Say not to.
We would probably get a fleshy.
Don't say that. People eat fish out of there.
They got a bunch of them right there.
What, fishes?
Okay, y'all can help me carry this to the pond. What's the code? 241?
867-5309.
Mommy,
The life and times. That lizard got cooked. Thanks, Sadie. Bibbidi, bobbidi, bibbidi, bobbidi, bibbidi, bibbidi, bobbidi. What's up, baby? It's cool. What? Where you gonna get that? Where you gonna do with that when you get in the water? How are you gonna play with that? You gonna play with it in the water, right? Exactly.
whole point.
Jason, will you go grab that pizza, please?
Oh, dude, they got a back door on their garage. That's cool as shit. I should have got a back door on my garage. That house on the end? That's cool. Where's the other and door?
Back of the truck.
Oh, these popsicles?
I forgot we had. That one goes to that orange one.
Probably was fucking 12 foot longer, huh? Say what?
I'm going to stay at the pool for a little bit.
What are these for? Hey, what are these handles for?
They don't knock it on the side of the boat. It's making a lot of noise.
Huh.
A lot of noise.
I'm a boy. Hey, Jason. I need for you to push us in the water.
No.
You gonna show me how to do it there, Mr. Freaking? Hello, Merkel.
Alright, first things first.
I'll pop.
You got to put a couple beers in the kayak. Boom. Boom.
How you got ready? Oh yeah, I got some beer too. Let me see your toes.
2 beers in the kayak.
Yep. Beer in the kayak.
Then take the one that you finish this.
I drank mine already. I drank. One go right there.
Sorry, I was dry.
Motherfucker, you're the best drunk driver I've ever seen.
Right?
That plane coming in low.
That's the one that dropped. They were flying that glider plane.
That shit quiet, right? It just.
They were coming, and then a little while later, you could see
How do you land it?
it would go down, then it would go back up, and then you just
How do you land those gliders?
fall with style.
So you die with style? I gotta lock in my hubs, man. I gotta lock in the hubs on this. 'Cause
That one,
that sounded wet. That sounded like you just boo-booed yourself.
that one, I don't know how it's gonna do. I know water's gonna come up through here, but don't mind it.
Huh. You're gonna learn today.
They got little plugs you can put in, but no one ever plugs them. They cost too much.
So,
You're gonna have to get into the water.
I mean, that's kind of the whole plan, isn't it? Huh. So I gotta sit in it first.
Sit.
Hold my oar.
Actually, I don't know how the balance is gonna work out, being it's a two-person.
Hang on.
That seat sucks too. That's the worst seat.
Why am I scared?
I'm still holding on to you, so.
Okay, go ahead.
You ready? I'm about to push.
Push.
Do not wobble.
Okay.
Do not wobble.
Okay. Oh, 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 oh.
Do not wobble. Get your balance and fill up first.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Whee! This thing long as all outdoors.
This is how you normally do it.
I can't see.
You gotta scoot like this. Oh, baby Jesus. This one's a little wobbly. Ain't been in a while. About 30 pounds heavier than I did.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna lift a kayaker too.
Huh.
You know that?
So you can kayak as good as you can swim, huh?
No, the lift a kayaker.
I didn't even know that was a real thing. How are you digging so, dude? I'm scared to put the oar in the water. Here we go.
If you had another person,
It will bring the front down.
probably put Jason in front. Honestly.
Yeah.
Shit tight, huh?
Yes. Tell me, is it you? Ooh, ooh.
Megan.
Happy 4th, everybody. Happy 4th.
Watch this. You got it on?
Hi.
You got it on?
Yeah. Please don't hit my boat.
No, America.
So we about to go kayaking again, and then Jason's gonna get in front of my kayak.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Like 2 hours later, that chick became a new subscriber to me. Sorry, that's okay. Drag a natural bait, like a worm. Derek?
Ma'am,
No.
I'm not fishing. I'm not that good at kayaking, so. Oh, ha, 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 ha.
Yes.
Ha, hardy, har, har.
Off of his toes. Oh, yeah. Are you going to use natural bait?
I just got I know, I got one.
You're getting back?
Let me get in front, buddy.
I get it.
Hang on, I gotta turn around first.
I gotta go home and check on
A little bit of one. Oh, yeah. I got a dope him
turn around.
later.
Oh,
I
okay.
can push you off backwards, it don't matter.
Nah, go forward.
I guess we'll get in.
just so cool. If they don't say anything about this, you get rid of some fish.
They didn't say nothing earlier.
Yeah.
And the lake said, the sign says for residents only.
Yeah.
You got your first lot or?
Yeah, yeah. Let me, yeah, no, I have my cell phone over there. So I'm good. Yeah.
You want to get in that one? You can get in that one all you want. I don't care. It don't bother me.
Oh, I'm good.
You ain't going kayaking?
Not right
What's the sit in one? It's deeper?
You put your legs up under.
Oh.
Yeah, it's
Instead of
like
being on top.
covered. It's not cool. I like these better.
I like these better.
This thing is hot.
You gotta get a little bit closer to the edge.
Hang on, I am gonna scoot.
Like, push you in.
Whew, this thing's kind of warm on my ass.
Or what's that little vegetable? When you guys
Stand up a little bit.
Oh yeah, I got it. I was just making sure I fit. I know I fit, but
Jason, get in. Jason, do not wobble at all when you sit down or whatever.
I'm holding it.
You're good. You ain't gonna go nowhere right now. It's gonna be hot. But...
It'll cool off. Oh,
All right, get in.
shit.
Okay, come on.
get warm.
Yep.
There you go.
And we're off. Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Friday, Matty, Matty, life is but a dream. It's much easier with you in here, Jason, because the front end ain't all loose. Trying to turn. You want to row up there? Hang on, I got to turn. I'm trying to turn. Huh?
Where's up there?
Like, where are you sitting at? Whee! This thing floats pretty good. You about to launch off? God dang, son, it's like a whip. There's the police.
They ain't ready. They better come with firepower.
Whee!
How deep?
Let's see. It's pretty deep.
It's touching the bottom.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
Only that much of my paddle sticking out. So.
Oh, okay. It's soft though.
Yeah.
That's all mud down there. You see a fish?
Well, he likes it.
You wanna row?
No.
Please? Just row a little bit here. Flip it over, like rotate it. Well, a little bit more. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, so put it in your hand and twist your hands forward. A little bit more. Right there. And then roll.
Oh.
Never mind, you're gonna make me fall. Never, let me see it.
Smart.
You want to fish? Whee!
Desperado, sitting in a old Monte Carlo. A man whose heart is hollow. Take it easy. I'm not trying to go against you. Actually, I'm going with you. Gotta get up out of here, you and leave me behind. I know you won't, 'cause we share common interest. You need me, there ain't no leaving me behind. Never know, no, just one out of here, yeah. 'Cause I'm gone, ain't no going back. If you want, we could be the runaway, running from in this side of love, yeah, yeah. There ain't nothing here for me. There ain't nothing here for me anymore. But I don't wanna be alone. Desperado, sitting in a old Monte Carlo. We both had a hospital. Take it easy. I'm not trying to go against you. I can be alone with you. Gotta get up out of here. You wanna leave me behind. I know you won't, 'cause we share common interest. You need me, there ain't no leaving me behind. Never know, no, I'm both one out of here, yeah. Once they're gone, ain't no going back. If you want, we could be the runaway, running from in the side of love, yeah, yeah. There ain't nothing here for me. There ain't nothing here for me anymore. I don't wanna be alone. Dear desperado, yeah, I don't wanna be alone. Dear desperado, yeah, I don't wanna be alone. If you want, we could be the runaway, running from in this side of love, yeah, yeah. There ain't nothing here for me. There ain't nothing here for me anymore.